Hey guys, good day, welcome back again to my page. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make akara from the beginning until the end. So guys, I'm just using this blender to remove the peel. I did not add any water to it. If you don't have this type of blender, you can use any types of food processor you have at home. You don't have to let the beans soak for a very long time before using it to peel the back, because when it's soaked, it's going to be blend. So we just want to peel the back and soak it before blending, Adia, give her. Adia, give it to her. Come and eat your food. So I'm going to leave it to soak for like 10 minutes before I will blend. 10 minutes is okay. This is the beans peel that I washed at. This one you're seeing here, this is white onions and a little bit of cube, pepper, salt. A bit of salt. Yeah, the salt is okay. So now it's time to fry. So I have put the oil already. So the oil is already hot. So I am going to start adding the akara in now. The blended beans. So let's start. So guys, the akara it's ready. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below, and also help me to share my video. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye. Have a nice day.